our funded and focused feature. In setting up your entrepreneurship model in this age of artificial intelligence, understanding the different tech stacks helps you spend wisely. We previously reviewed a US $60 a month stack for solopreneurs. Now let's review what we will call the Startup Founder Stack with an estimated cost of US $400 to $1,571 per month for a team of up to 10 persons. The tools we will discuss are best for growing your business, your tech startup, businesses raising capital. Now this startup helps sales teams find customers, teams collaborate faster, developers build products faster, founders prepare for investors, and financial forecasting. So for team knowledge and collaboration, consider Notion.com, which organizes company knowledge, project plans, and documentation. For sales automation, consider Apollo.io to find leads, build outreach lists, and manage sales pipelines. For financial forecasting, consider Fathom.com that creates clear financial projections for founders and investors. And when you need an investor pitch development tool, consider Beautiful.ai, which helps build professional investor pitch decks quickly. And for workflow automation, consider Make.com, which automates internal processes across apps. Note that the most successful companies are using AI. They're not chasing every tool. Instead, they focus on building a simple stack that supports their business goals.